Mahakavi Bharatiyar was born on 11th September 1882 in Ettayapuram village of Thoothukudi district in Tamil Nadu. His father was Chinnaswamy Iyer, his mother was Lakshmi Amma. At the age of 11, he won a debut in the court of Ettayapuram village of Ettayapuram Raja in the best award the title Bharati. Bharati fluent in many languages include Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Sanskrit, French and English. His song on nationalism and freedom of India helped to rally the message to support the Indian Independence Day movement. Kannan Pattu, Panjali Satyam, Kuyil Pattu are examples of the great poetic output. In 1949, became the first poet whose work nationalist by state government. Bharati died on 11th September 1921, aged just 39.